K L Rahul's full name is Kannanur Lokesh Rahul. He was born on the 18th of April 1992 in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. His nickname is KL. He is not married. He is a cricketer and plays for the Indian cricket team. He is a right-handed batsman. His Test debut was on the 26th of December 2014 versus Australia. His ODI debut was on the 11th of June 2016 versus Zimbabwe, and his T20 debut was on the 18th of July 2016 versus Zimbabwe. His ODI number and T20 shirt number is 1. He is a clever batsman and plays as per the situation, and when needed, he becomes a hard hitter for the team. His favorite shot is down the track shot. K L Rahul single-handedly helped India to win many matches with his all-rounder performance. His highest score till today in ODI is 112 and in T20 is 110 and in IPL is 158. Till today in ODI, he made 2 centuries and 6 50s. In Test matches, he made 2 centuries and 7 50s. In T20, he made 1 century and 22 50s. His best inning was 132 runs in 69 balls against RCB in 2010, 100 runs in 64 balls against Mumbai Indians in 2019, 95 runs in 70 balls against Rajasthan Royal in 2018.